Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best electric wire is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, components in any electrical system. Choosing the right wire is crucial for safety, efficiency, and the longevity of your electrical installations. This video will cut through the jargon and help you understand the key factors to consider when selecting electric wires for your home, business, or project, ensuring you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes down the line. Number 5. Fermerry 16AWG Silicone Wire Kit. This kit is perfect for your wiring needs. It includes 6 different colors of 16AWG silicone wire, each spool measuring 10 feet. You'll receive 6 10-foot spools of wire in assorted colors, plus heat shrink tubing and wire ties for a complete solution. It's made of high-quality silicone rubber insulation and premium tin copper conductors, ensuring flexibility and efficiency. This wire can withstand currents up to 19 A and voltages up to 600 V, withstanding temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius. It's easy to handle, strip, crimp, and weld, making your projects simple and efficient. It's ideal for various applications, including LED lighting, electrical equipment, and battery connections. What we like. It comes with various colors and is incredibly flexible, making it perfect for various projects. If you need a wire that's easy to work with and looks great, this is the one for you. This is ideal for hobbyists and those working on intricate projects where flexibility and color coding are essential. What people say. The silicone jacket of this wire is flexible and supple. It strips easily and does not melt at normal soldering temperatures. The high strand count makes for a very flexible wire, while minimizing breakage due to normal wear and tear, and also helping to some extent to reduce inductive and skin effects at higher frequencies. The stranded tin copper wires are highly flexible and easy to work with, making them perfect for intricate setups and tight spaces. The silicone insulation is durable, heat-resistant, and doesn't easily fray. Number 4. Southwire Romex Simpull 12-2. This is the Southwire Romex Simpull cable, designed for easier installation. Its patented jacket makes pulling and stripping a breeze. It features a patented Simpull jacket for effortless pulling, stripping, and installation, saving you time and effort on the job. It's ideal for residential wiring, perfect for branch circuits to switches and outlets. It's a reliable choice for your home projects. Remember, it's for above-ground use in dry locations only. Always follow local electrical codes for safe installation. This cable has a 600-volt rating, ensuring it can handle the demands of your electrical system. It's built to last. It can be run in air voids of masonry block or tile walls, as long as those areas are dry. It offers flexibility in your wiring options. What we like. Its patented Simpull jacket makes installation a breeze. If you're a homeowner tackling a DIY project or a professional installer, you'll appreciate its ease of use. This is perfect for standard household wiring needs. What people say. It's what is. 12-2 Southwire with ground. Great quality Romex wire. Good product. Works just as described for wiring my shed. Good condition wire, well packaged. It arrived as it looks and worked perfectly for my pot lights. Number 3. 16AWG2C electrical wire. This wire boasts high conductivity thanks to its oxygen-free copper core, ensuring efficient power transmission for your projects. With 65 strands of 0.16 copper wire in each circuit, it offers lower resistance and superior conductivity compared to aluminum alternatives. Its PVC jacket provides excellent protection against abrasion, sunlight, and chemicals, with a rated operating temperature up to 80 degrees Celsius. This flexible wire is incredibly easy to solder, making it perfect for various low-voltage installations, from 5V to 240V. It's ideal for LED strips, electronic devices, transformers, and more, offering a reliable solution for your diverse needs. It has passed rigorous UL testing, guaranteeing a long lifespan and reliable performance. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. What we like. This wire boasts high conductivity and durable materials, ensuring reliable performance. If you need a wire for demanding applications, this is a great choice. It's suitable for various low-voltage applications, from LED strips to automotive use. What people say. The 20-gauge 2-conductor electrical wire has proven to be a dependable solution for my various low-voltage electrical projects. This 20 AWG stranded PVC cord, featuring oxygen-free copper cable, has consistently delivered the performance and flexibility I require for LED strips, lamps, lighting, and automotive applications. One of the standout features of this electrical wire is its flexibility. The stranded design of the wire allows for easy bending and maneuvering around tight corners, making it highly versatile for various installation scenarios. The oxygen-free copper construction is a crucial factor in the wire's reliability. This high-quality material not only enhances conductivity but also contributes to the overall durability and longevity of the wire. The insulation is robust and provides effective protection against environmental factors, ensuring a stable and secure electrical connection. Number 2. GearIT Solid THHN Wire. This 12 AWG single-conductor electrical wire is built for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's made with 100% oxygen-free copper for superior conductivity and reliable performance. It features a solid copper conductor, making it perfect for stationary installations where minimal bending is needed. This ensures stability for permanent setups within walls or conduits. THHN stands for Thermoplastic High Heat Resistant Nylon Coated Wire. It's the industry standard, and this wire is rated for up to 600 volts, meeting the highest safety standards. The strong, flexible nylon jacket and interior PVC insulation make it easy to install, even for long cable runs. It's also suitable for both wet and dry conditions. This wire is UL listed and RoHS compliant, ensuring safety and reliability. The nylon jacket protects it from abrasion, moisture, and even extreme heat. What we like. Made with 100% oxygen-free copper for superior conductivity, it's built to last. If you need a robust wire for heavy-duty applications, this is the perfect option. Its solid core makes it ideal for stationary installations where flexibility isn't a primary concern. What people say. Its good wire, was easy to pull as needed. I purchased this wire for a sub-panel installation and it was of great quality. It was not too stiff and was easy to pull and looks great. Everything you expect from 12-gauge wire. It is convenient that you can get the wire delivered to your house. Number 1. Southwire Romex Simpull 14-2. Get ready to experience effortless installation with our new cable. Its innovative design makes pulling, stripping, and installation a breeze. It features a patented Simpull jacket for superior ease of use. Say goodbye to frustrating installation delays. It's perfect for residential wiring projects. Use it to create branch circuits for switches and outlets. Remember, it's for above-ground use in dry locations only. Always follow local electrical codes. This cable boasts a 600-volt rating, ensuring reliable performance. It's built to handle the demands of your electrical system. It can also be run in air voids of masonry block or tile walls, provided they are dry. Always check for moisture before installation. What we like. This wire features a patented Simpull jacket for effortless installation. If you value ease of use and efficiency, this is the wire for you. It's perfect for residential wiring projects where smooth installation is key. What people say. It's the typical wire for adding 15A light circuits, and that's what I used it for in my basement. Worked great as Romex should. This is a common wire, so no real quality differences. First-class wire product with no problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.